If home is where the heart is, there's probably a lawn nearby. And it's generally what you see first. Whether it's work or play, there are ways to make sure that the grass is always greener.
His passion for the lawn is it's ridiculous. He's out there maybe like once a week, just maintaining it.
I get a lot of joy and pride and relaxation when I'm out there doing my lawn, maintaining it.
When he's out there, I have a deep appreciation for the way that he's maintaining the lawn.
Hello, my name is Michael Lauer, Director of Business Development for SBM Life Science, makers of BioAdvanced. Today, we're southwest of Jacksonville, Florida, in beautiful Middleburg at the Lawson family home. Our goal is to provide maintenance that's easy for the lawn and garden, so individuals and families can enjoy their outdoor living spaces. Let's check it out. Thanks for inviting us in this home. I mean, people can get jealous of this yard.
A lot of hard work, you know. My neighbors always said, oh, such a, lovely lawn. That makes me feel good. Then they might come and ask me, well, Charles, what are you putting on your lawn? And I said, well, I use 3-in-1 BioAdvanced weed and feed, and that's what I put on, once or twice a year, like that. And they look and say, oh, just a great looking lawn, Charles.
Why is having a healthy lawn so important? Well, when you maintain a beautiful yard, especially like this one at the Lawson family home, it helps really prevent the major common issues that homeowners face every year. You're talking about insects, weeds, fungus, and disease. And to be able to keep a healthy, maintained lawn, guess what? It helps prevent a lot of that in the long run. How many years have you been using the blue bottle?
Probably going on 18 years now. Wow. I started up north with the fescue grass.
Okay.
And then I came this way south and I kept the product going.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I love it.
When you enter this neighborhood, the Lawson yard really sticks out because it's lush and green. And when you see it up close, you could tell they maintain it properly. You know your stuff.
Oh yeah, I've been using it for years. I'm waiting for a dormant time comes so I don't have to cut as much.
What's your lawn type?
This type of grass here is St. Augustine.
Okay.
I have to stay on top of it to maintain it.
And not every brand actually can work on St. Augustine, certain varieties, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, good. Your lawn looks great.
Oh, thank you.
We're backed by science-based solutions, and we've been trusted for decades for gardeners for their lawn and garden health. Just for an example, our 3-in-1 weed and feed can take care of your Bermuda grass and St. Augustine, and you would be surprised. There are other brands in the market and products that don't do the same thing. And by the way, it kills fire ants. We have many solutions for lawn issues, such as weeds, insects, fungus, disease, and grubs. Our 5-in-1 weed and feed and our 3-in-1 weed and feed prevents crabgrass up to 6 months. When you're on top of your maintenance, you get to have a yard like Charles.
My life is better. We're able to go outside. We're able to entertain. We're able to host. We're able to gather outside. My children don't have to play in the street. They play in the yard. They play in the backyard. They play in the grass.
Curb appeal is everything to a homeowner. Having a healthy lawn where families can spend time together outside is really important. And you can do that with BioAdvanced products with a healthy green lawn.
I cannot imagine not using BioAdvanced product. The blue bottles, they just do the job.
To learn more about BioAdvanced and how it can help your lawn look healthy and beautiful, visit bioadvanced.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.